To view all these classic car registration, feel free to access my channel and select playlist. Then and right here under Classic Auto Works, they're all there. Feel free to select that. Then all of them is listed right here. By selecting this, it will play all the list by itself, so you don't need to track them down. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. At this time, I want to take the opportunity and thank my subscribers with their uplifting comments. You always encourage me to upload more videos, since this is just a hobby of mine. Again, I appreciate you. Enjoy all these videos, and you all have an awesome day. Take care. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and you will be notified when new video being uploaded. You have a great day.